Hello everyone, this is the first lesson of marketing. I'm Said from Chelire.com. Consider that you can change the subtitle of this video by clicking on the subtitle bar, and the PDF of this presentation and the PowerPoint of this presentation is available on my website. The website is Chelire.com. So, list of topics that we are going to cover in this lesson. First is what is marketing? Second topic is what can be marketed? And third one is what are the differences between sales and marketing? So let's go to the first question. What is marketing? There are some definitions for marketing, but one of the most important ones are what AMA, American Marketing Association, said. And they says that marketing is the activity set of institutions and processes for creating, communicating, delivering, and exchanging offerings that have value for the customer, client, partners, and society at large. So, in this definition, I want you to think about two words. Um, First one is value, and second one is customers. I mean all of the parts: customer, client, partner, and society. So, um, what AMA say is that you need to create or offer value for a group of people. Let's go to Cutler. What Cutler says about marketing. Cutler says that the marketing is the science and art of exploring, creating, and delivering value to satisfy the needs of a target market at a profit. Marketing identifies unfulfilled needs and desires. It defines, measures, and quantifies the size of identified market and the profit potential. It pinpoints which segment the company is capable of saving best, and it designs and promotes the appropriate product and services. In this definition, I want you to think about two words again. First one is value, and second one is target market needs. Actually, what customer needs. We are going to talk about these two words in our next lessons, but I want you to start thinking about it. What is marketing? Let's make it easier. Marketing is everything that you do to make your company have more profit by reducing the costs or increasing the sales. The next question is what is marketed? Simply everything can be marketed. A product, a service, an event, experience, people, places, organizations, informations, ideas, everything can be marketed. So everything that it is interesting to us is about one of our needs. For example, there is an information for learning SEO. So you need to learn SEO, and there is information for it. So it's about your need, so you can market this knowledge, this information. We're going to talk about needs and customers and target markets in future, but as I told you before, but I want you to think about it. Um, for these questions, I want to say that everything can be marketed. And there is a typical questions about sales and marketing. And this question says that um, What are the differences between sales and marketing? Is sales under marketing or is marketing under sales or what? The reality is that marketing and sales are two different departments in any organization. They have differences in bases. Actually, they have differences in um, in the way they think. Sales have short-term purposes. Sometimes they have month goals, they have seasonal goals, and they have uh, actually goals for the year. And they want to have the target and they want to pass the target, the goal. So this is what sales want. They want to sell more. But marketing have long-term purposes. For 5 years, for 10 years, there are some countries that marketers cannot have a plan for next 5 years, but um, why not? The point is that the marketing and marketers have to think about long term. Another difference is that sales starts with product. You should have something to sell it. But marketing starts with customer needs. This is a simple and interesting difference. Marketing started with what customer needs, and then we are going to work on so how can we answer the needs, how can we work on this need, but sales starts with product. This is another difference. And the third one is that sales team makes sales. They want to sell more. The marketing team wants to increase the profit. So, um, what is profit? Profit is sales minus costs. So, if we reduce the costs, we increases the profit. This is another difference that marketing and sales have. If you have any question, this is our first lesson. If you have any question, you can contact me by hi@chelire.com. Please don't forget to subscribe and this tutorial, this is the first lesson of a full tutorial of marketing. Um, Subscribe the channel or join the newsletter. So whenever we created a new video, you can be informed and come and see. So take care. Goodbye.